A very good evening. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Application. Warm greetings from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, I'm going to explain about auditing and accounting. So, difference between auditing and accounting. If you ask, is anything difference? Yes, definitely. There is a difference between auditing and accounting. So, accounting is a process, it is a recording, classifying, and summarizing the given data, and finally, will give the statement. Whereas, auditing is examining, determining whether the recorded informations are reflects to the economic event occurred during the accounting period or not. It is all about whether the given information is correct or given information is accurate, fair, and genuine. It is nothing but the examining the financial statement. In simple term, we can say that it is nothing but the examining the financial statement, whatever the information given in the process, whether that is accurate or not. So now we'll see how these both will have a relationship. We'll see and we'll compare the auditing and accounting, and it will be very interesting. Okay, students? Yeah. So we'll see now the primary functions. So accounting primary function is record, classify, and summarize the financial transaction to present the organization financial position and performance. Now we understood, right? Now we'll see the auditing. So it is independently examine the financial records and statement to verify their accuracy and compliance. Whatever the information given, whether that is correct or not. So that is nothing but the verifying. We'll see what is the objective of accounting: to provide the useful financial information for decision making and to prepare the financial statement. This is the main objective of accounting. If you take auditing, to provide the independent assessment of the accuracy and fairness of the financial statement to enhance their creditability. So based on the given information, whether whatever they are given, whether it's correct or not, it enhances their creditability. If you see about the timings, how frequently, so accounting is a continuous process that happens daily as a transaction whatever is acquired. But whereas auditing, it is nothing but a periodical process typically conducted yearly once, that is annual basis, or depends upon the organization policy, that might be maybe quarterly, off yearly, right? So based on the monthly audit will also be done. That depends the size of the organizations. So if you talk about the responsibilities, accounting performed a uh, accountant and the chief of the accountant who's responsible for all the accounting transactions, whereas this is done on the periodical basis typically conducted at the end of the financial period, and it is performed by an auditor who is an independent person who is nowhere related to the organization. So he will be appointed by the government to do the audit to examine the given information. So if you talk about the accounting, it is a current financial activities, and that will be given a guidance for the future planning. Accounting is done for the current financial activities and for the future planning, but auditing is a past financial activities and the statements. Now you got the differences, the focuses. When you talk about the reporting to the management for a internal decision making, whereas auditing report is for a stakeholders, means the outside the people, those who are indirectly related to the company, like banks, shareholders, like creditors, next to the financial institutions, whoever directly or indirectly related to the company. So this is their responsible to deliver the report. Then if you take about daily, it is a accounting is a process of daily transactions, preparing and annually they will show the financial statements. And auditing is a external auditor who will check for the company's balance sheet and ensures its correctness. So by this we can understand the basic difference between accounting and the auditing. So in upcoming the next video we'll have a detailed understanding about this topic. Thank you.